Hey guys, this is an unbridled unboxing of the Fox Professional USB Studio Microphone by Beyerdynamic. We're going to start the unboxing with the on-camera microphone. That's from my Apple iPhone. We're shooting at 4K this time out, so hopefully it looks a little bit better, but also you get a sense of what you would get if the audio file is straight from the camera, and then I can drop in a little bit from the microphone after the unboxing so you can get a sense of what that thing sounds like as well, just for fun. $24.96 is the resolution this guy does. Also retails for $179, so it's a little bit more expensive than maybe some of the entry-level USB microphones out there, but Beyerdynamic is a big brand. They've been around for a while. They've been doing microphones for a long time. They've been doing headphones for a long time. And this is their first entry level getting out into this podcasting / streaming USB microphone market. And I'm very excited to see kind of what the direction they go. How does it sound? How do things kind of go in this market in terms of what they got? So here we have it. Plastic still on the thing. This is fresh. It's fresh. So the box itself is, of course, really well done. A little bit of artwork, some graphic designers. They have the branding for this particular endeavor has been it's been good. Everything looks good. Everything looks sexy. They put some time into the idea, time to the box packaging, right? A little bit of visual design, a little bit of packaging design. See, here we go. Not a bad route to go. I always think kind of it adds to the experience when you have that. Some people don't care. They just like their stuff. A little more straightforward. Professional USB studio microphone, user manual. Let's open this guy up. Here we are. Obviously, they'll be able to... Ooh. There is a mount on the bottom, if you can see that, for a microphone stand or other thing. But this, I'm surprised at the weight. It's heavy, like a regular broadcast microphone. That's fun. On the bottom, this ring is actually rubber-ish. I'll say it's 100% rubber, but it's you know what? If you bounce it on, accidentally kind of hit it once or twice, it's not metal down there. That's kind of a fun little thing. And I guess in a pinch even. Voila. But that's not the case for all the time. Gain high-low, not a bad extra setting. Of course, USB-C connectivity. Onboard mute. Don't forget you can plug your headphones directly into this, so the latency is lower, obviously. And it has a headphone amplifier built right in. It also comes with an attachable windscreen. This is very nice if you don't like to have a big ice cream cone kind of thing going. This is a little more designed, a little more interesting look to it, I think. Grab this out of here. Braided USB cable included. This is an adapter for the microphone end. That's nice because I've had to buy these online before. So if you have a larger thread and you need to go adapt to the smaller one, it is included with it. Bonus. Oh, and here we have the included stand. I bet you this will get you some more articulation in terms of how you want to set it up. As I said, it does stand on its own, but this, through the bottom, now we have a little bit of extra. Yeah, there she is. She can't stay away from an unboxing, guys. Anyways, so a little bit of a stand for you. I think she's gonna do a voiceover for you. Oh my goodness. So anyways, this has been the Beyerdynamic Fox USB microphone. All things considered, without hearing this, just on first take, it is a beast. I'm impressed. it's kind of got good weight in the hand and a very portable size, which is important. And the fact that it has the stand makes it much like the competitors, but you don't need it. This thing pops right off. It's not as clumsy. It's a little, this size, I think this form factor is a little bit superior if you're talking about the Yeti, which tends to be much larger than this and also a bit more cumbersome when it comes to like setting it up with other things, you know, side screws and such. So I'm kind of digging that. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll have a little bit more in terms of impressions and what this guy sounds like in the very near future. Thanks.